Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view old Google Street Views. So first we'll head to Google Maps. Now let's go to a popular location. Alright, so we're here in California. Now let's zoom into a street. Now in order to enter Street View, we are going to drag this yellow human into the streets. And we are inside the streets. Alright guys, so now we are in Street View mode. As you can see, I'm able to walk through the streets of California. So this Street View was taken on June 2006. Now if we want to go back in time, we are going to click on see more dates. Now there are not much date available here. We have 16, 15 and 2014. So let's find a location that we will find a much greater difference. Alright, so we're here in another street. Now this street image was taken on April 2022. Now we're going to see more dates and see what's available here. Now we are going to be able to go to 2008. So let's go to 2008 and see how things changes. Now we're going to see the cars that are aligned on the parking spot here, and then we're going to go to 2008. Now let's check out the cars. As you can see, the cars have changed its model. Now some of them are old model. So that's how you will be able to go back in time and see old Google Street View in Google Maps. If you found this video helpful guys, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.